Previously, I introduced the functions of Copilot in Outlook, Word, and PowerPoint. Today, I will share more on what can we do with Copilot in Excel. In the past, handling large amounts of data and performing complex analysis often require a lot of time and effort. But now, with Copilot, we can complete this task easily. In Excel, Copilot can help us organize, analyze, and summarize numerical data, and it can also be used for text data. Today, let me play the role of Customer Service Manager and demonstrate how Copilot can analyze customer feedback data in Excel. As a Customer Service Manager, we need to frequently review our customers' rating and their satisfaction to further improve and provide better services. Here, you can see my Excel table with dates, customer IDs, the satisfaction score, and some comment from them as well. For the first simple task here, we can make use of Copilot to calculate the average customer satisfaction score. We can directly input like what is the average customer satisfaction score here? And wait a few seconds, it will analyze for us. The score is only like 3 point something, which means that we need to take some action to improve a little bit here. Besides, we can also ask Copilot to summarize our customer comments by typing our instruction like, what are the key customer comments and feedbacks? Or give me a detailed summary of the customer comment here. And after a moment of analysis, it will show us a summary of all customer feedback. And we can simply see the positive and negative feedback and also the mixed feedback here to give an overview for our analysis and further discussion. Additionally, we can input is there any trend for satisfaction score to let Copilot to help us analyze whether our customer satisfaction has changed over time, to help us decide whether the measures and services implemented by the company during certain period were effective or not. We can see that Copilot will generate a chart for our references, allowing us to further analyze and discuss internally within the team. In fact, Copilot's function in Excel go far beyond this. It can generate formulas, charts, compare trends, correlations, and provide insights by analyzing data, making our task in Excel much easier and effective. Alright, that's all for today's sharing. If you want to know more about Copilot, you can scan our QR code and stay tuned for upcoming sharing. See you next time. Bye.